Kenya has rolled out the nationwide use of a drug therapy known as pre-exposure prophylaxis. It's taken daily by HIV-negative people for the prevention of HIV transmission, and it's the second country in Africa after South Africa to offer the drug therapy. The pill, known as Truvada, will be given to high-risk individuals, including young women, serodiscordant couples, and men who have sex with men, as well as commercial sex workers. The country also launched an HIV self-testing service which allows for testing in privacy. At least 1.6 million people are living with HIV in Kenya, which means it has the fourth largest HIV epidemic in the world after South Africa, Mozambique and Uganda.
Kenya introduced the HIV prevention method PrEP in 2016 on a pilot basis. Having passed the trials, the drug will now be available nationwide through local healthcare providers. The World Health Organization approved the use of Truvada in 2015 for the prevention of HIV. Research shows that when taken daily by HIV-negative people who are at high risk of infection, PrEP is effective in preventing transmission of HIV. Kenya registered almost similar results during year-long trials.
Where those who took it and we found the product in their blood samples, there was up to 90% effectiveness.
PrEP will be incorporated in other preventive and treatment programs that Kenya is using. Out of the 1.6 million people living with HIV/AIDS in Kenya, at least 1 million are on antiretroviral treatment. The daily pill is seen as a cheaper way of preventing infection compared to the use of lifelong treatments.
It shall be provided free in selected health outlets and facilities. But if one wishes to purchase it, it will be available. But there is a cost. That pill will cost you about 20 shillings per day. Per month is about 600 shillings.
We are adding almost an additional 10% new people into already the number of people who are living with HIV every 2 years. We cannot afford that.
Kenyans will now be able to self-test for HIV following the launch of the HIV self-testing kit. Kenya says both these methods will help the country achieve its target of reducing new HIV infections by 75% by 2019. Sarah Kimani, SABC News, Kenya.